Welcome to Impacting Jamaica, where we spotlight the many but often ignored positive happenings, activities, projects, and investments at every level across every sector to inspire, motivate, and excite people everywhere. Impacting Jamaica is powered by the Flow Foundation.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Impacting Jamaica. And today we have a very, very, very beautiful lady. And it's not just about the beauty, she's very, very accomplished. Her name is Nayana Williams, and she is the Chief Executive Officer of Lifespan Company. And recently, she received the prestigious Go Global Women in Business Award by the International Trade Council. Now, she's joining us today on Impacting Jamaica to tell us more about this award and how she feels to get another deserving award. This lady here has an order of distinction in the rank of officer, not commander. So the last time you and I spoke, you were going to receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for your contribution to entrepreneurship and philanthropy. What keeps you motivated to succeed at such a high level?
Thanks for having me, Keisha. And to answer your question, I think, I have a duty, I believe, as a citizen of this world, to play my part. And, my part is pursuing excellence and raising, the standard and quality of, whatever I decide to do. And that is what I'm doing here at Lifespan, because I do want to inspire not just my children and women, but everyone I can inspire to go after action to excellence, into excellence.
All right, so what does what does the Go Global Women in Business Award entail? What are the requirements for the award, and how did you meet these stipulations?
All right, I think as a business, a woman-led business, that's one of the criterias, and also a business that is impacting globally. We export, and we also we have won international quality awards as well. And not just that, we, as a woman-led business, our business promote gender equality, diversity, and inclusion. So that is one of the criteria.
All right. So what does this award mean for you? Because you're not a stranger to these awards. I mean, OD is at the highest level. What does this award mean for you, your family, and your business? And did you envision, when you diverted from a career in law to return to Jamaica and start your own business, that you would be at the pinnacle of your career at this stage?
Well, even though I pursued a law degree, law was not an option for me. I've always pursued business and worked in business, and I have never felt the need to pursue law. And, for me, this award is about inspiring my team, inspiring my son, my children, and the community, the wider community. Because as a female in a male-dominated industry and society, I feel like I need to be an example, and I pursue, excellence and set an example to inspire others.
And now, a word from our sponsors.
Movie time! Let me, Mommy. Little Mermaid!
No. This summer I turned
Titans.
I'll be choosing tonight The Notebook.
No!
With Hub TV from Flow, now all your channels and streaming apps are in one place, controlled by your voice. Get internet and Hub TV for the special offer of only $6,499 plus GCT a month. Inspired by you. Visit a Flow store today.
Welcome back to our podcast.
All right, so give us a little background about your business, how it started, and outside of this Go Global Women in Business Award, what are some of your major achievements, especially in, as you mentioned earlier, in a very competitive, male-dominated business environment?
Oh, so, all right. About this business. So we started, just over 18 years old. In January, the business will be 19 years. We'll be celebrating our 19-year anniversary. And, it started out a little bit over 20 years ago when I decided that, I came back to Jamaica with my husband and 2 kids and moved to Portland. There wasn't any type of career opportunity for me. And so I had to look at what was available, and I saw that we had rain in abundance. And I was always a avid water drinker. And, I did a whole lot of research, did a plan, did the projections, and then I pitched it to my husband, and he was sold right away. And that's the beginning of Lifespan.
Where exactly in Portland are you located?
So we're located in Spring Garden, just outside of Buff Bay in Portland, right at the base of the northern Blue Mountain Plains.
But all of that water that we're drinking is coming out of the Blue Mountain.
Yeah. We have a minimum rainfall of 77 inches of rain annually. And all that water seeps into the mountains and travel for decades, like over a decade and a half, until it gets to its exit point. And it so happened that we have one of those exit points on our property, and that is where we capture the water and make it available to consumers.
All right, give us an idea of the production. You said it starts from the mountain, it comes down. Tell us about, purification and packaging and delivery across the island.
Right. So we capture the water as it comes out of the rock. There's a stream that runs through the property. We don't take the water from the stream. We collect the water as it exits the mountainside. And then we send that water, we do the necessary to remove any suspended solids to ensure that the water remains bacteria-free. We do not add anything, and we do not take out anything other than if there is bacteria, it takes care of that. But the water coming from the source is actually bacteria-free, which is excellent. But of course, we have to ensure that what consumers are getting is safe to consume. So we take it a bit further, and then we send it into our plant where we bottle it and then make it available to consumers.
All right, is this alkaline or is it the bottled water?
Well,
there's a difference.
Well, it's a naturally alkaline spring water. So the pH ranges from between 7.9 to 8.4. And so this is excellent water that your body needs. And aside from that, there is a moderate mineral composition, and it's 3 of the major minerals in there is calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And we all know that in order for our bodies to absorb the other minerals that our body needs, we need magnesium. So consuming a water like Lifespan will ensure that you're getting that daily allowance that is needed.
All right, so you say calcium,
magnesium, and potassium.
And you say it's naturally alkaline.
Naturally alkaline. And some of the recognition that we have gained in the past, we have won numerous awards throughout, but the most significant, I would say, is the International Quality Award, the Grand Gold Quality Award by Moon Selection out of Belgium. And we have actually won that 4 years in a row. So that is quite effect for us. We have also been nominated for the Standard and Quality Award from the NCBJ, and that is local. On numerous occasions. I think it was about 3 or 4 times we have been nominated for that award. And in 2021, we got the Legends in Business Award from the International Trade Council. And again, the criteria being a woman-led business. And of course, the main thing was our resilience in getting through the pandemic period.
And the COVID pandemic was really difficult for everyone. Just a quick synopsis. How did you manage to get through that side of your business? I mean,
well, it was quite a challenge, but we were persistent. My team, they were resilient as well, and we stood up. We took the blows as they came, but we pressed on. So we managed to get out of it, and for that we're so very grateful. And that is as a result of the support from our customers, our suppliers, and the team that we have in place. So just about everyone. So we're very grateful for that.
Go ahead.
So I also wanted to mention that we're the only NSF International certified bottled water plant in Jamaica, and the only member of the International Bottled Water Association, and one of 3 companies in the Caribbean that is a member of the IBWA.
What does that mean, though, for your company and for the business?
Well, the National Sanitation Foundation International is a food safety organization. It's an international food safety organization. And so they have to come in and audit us on an annual basis. And aside from us, testing our product internally on a daily basis and weekly with the Bureau of Standards, we are tested annually as well on an international level. And so, that keeps us on our toes to ensure that we are maintaining, quality product safe for consumers.
You're ensuring that you maintain global standards that are safe
right.
for our consumers. That's fantastic news. So you're gonna tell us now how you plan to maintain this successful trajectory in your business. And,
all right. So
and one more, and how do you plan to continue your outstanding legacy?
Well, we have just recently became a member of the Fine Water Society. So, and one of the things I do encourage other businesses is to join organizations that is specific to what they are doing, because there's a lot of support there, and also it allows the business and the brand to get to other places, to expand beyond where they are. And for us, I see no limits in the growth of the company. So it will continue to grow. It will continue to uphold the standards and quality that it is known for and remain consistent. And it will live on and not just impact Jamaica on a local basis, but it will also be a globally recognized company and continue on even when I'm no longer here. So, that is what Lifespan believes in promoting healthy longevity, and we'll continue to do so.
And that is really good to hear. I mean, 20 years in the business, numerous awards, you're certified internationally and locally, and you continue to rake in the awards and to build your business. That's fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so as we conclude today on Impacting Jamaica, we just heard from Miss Nayana Williams. She is the CEO and major shareholder of Lifespan Company. And you see those nice bottled waters you see in your supermarket? It comes out of a rock in a place called Spring Garden in Portland. So when you go in the supermarket and you see Lifespan, this is the lady who started that business over 20 years ago. And guess what? She saw this opportunity where none existed on that side of the island. And guess what? It is a booming business. And right now, they are contributing to nation building because guess what? They have hired over 155 employees. And they not only distribute in Jamaica, they distribute in the Caribbean. And there's a little part I want her to touch on before we go. The last time we spoke, you mentioned that you are seeking new markets. How is that going?
Well, that's going good. We have expanded into other Caribbean islands, and we're looking to expand on a larger scale in the coming year, to other countries outside of the Caribbean. All right. So we have big plans.
You have great plans. All right, so I look forward in another year or two to get an update on this wonderful work that you're doing. And as we said, congratulations, women in business, women-led business. You are doing so well.
Thank you, and thanks for having me, Keisha.
You're most welcome.
Impacting Jamaica is powered by the Flow Foundation. If you or anyone you know is involved with projects and activities that excite, motivate, and encourage, email us at impactingjamaica@gmail.com. That's all one word, impactingjamaica@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you.